Persons planning to do some planting on Labor Day set for May 23 can get seedlings from the Forestry Department. Labor Day will be observed under the theme Reigniting a Nation for Greatness, Protecting Our Heritage and Environment. According to the Forestry Department, persons can get up to 10 timber ornamental tree seedlings free of cost from the Forestry Department's nurseries located at the agency's head office in St. Andrew, Williamsfield in Manchester, and Monigue in St. Anne, adjacent to the Jamaica Defence Force camp. A fruit tree seedling will be provided to persons who collect 5 or more timber and ornamental plants. The agency is also partnering with GB Energy, Texaco, Jamaica, to allocate seedlings to areas outside of the nursery locations. Distribution will begin on Thursday, May 19 at Texaco service stations in Port Antonio, Portland, and in Otter Bay, St. Mary, and on Friday, May 20 in Kingston and St. Andrew. Similar distributions will take place at stations in Westmoreland and Hanover on May 26, St. Elizabeth on May 27, St. Anne on June 3, and in Trelawney and St. James on June 10. You can email the Forestry Department for more information at fdinfo@forestry.gov.jm. Persons can also call for details of the distribution locations and availability of seedlings at 876-618-3205.